Thank you. Goodbye. Just let it out. It wants to come out. Just keep on letting it out.
That's the people. No. What could happen to others? Fuck that shit. That's what you want. You let